Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very long overdue one, so I apologize for that. However, it is super exciting because this is all about the collaboration lipstick with ilmakiage. Now this launch actually took place back November of 2021. So again, I apologize for not getting this video up sooner than that. Actually, this collaboration was supposed to happen about 2 years ago, but unfortunately the pandemic happened, and so production has to be placed on pause, and life happens. 4 months ago I had my daughter. We just recently moved as well, so I still have a mess of things everywhere. But I digress. I wanted to show you this beautiful shade that I'm wearing right here on my lips. The shade name is called Jessica, and it is a beautiful, bold, like pumpkin spice vibes. They actually collabed with 16 other different influencers, so you got 16 different shades to choose from, all unique in their own way. And I will put the link down below so you definitely can check those out. But without further ado, I just want to show you a little bit of what it looks like, because I know it's going to look beautiful on each and every one of you. So if you want to see more, then please keep watching. First things first, I'd like to show you which ilmakiage products I used to achieve today's look. Okay, so I already did my brows and I have moisturizer and primer. I'm going to be taking the ilmakiage Woke Up Like This foundation. This is in the shade 060, and the good thing about this foundation is that you can go on their website, you can take a personalized quiz, and it'll match the foundation shade to your skin type, which I think is really cool. I'm also using the ilmakiage foundation blending brush number 100 to blend this foundation in. And next, to conceal, I'm going to be using the ilmakiage Flawless Concealer in the shade, what shade is this? 3.75. Lord knows I need it for these dark circles. Okay, so for blush, contour, and highlight, I'm going to be taking the Carly Bible Moonstruck, what does that say? Moonstruck Light Palette, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Here is the inside. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. Put some blush above. I like to drag it a little bit above, like towards my temple as well. Alright, let's go ahead and add some highlight. And I like to add it and drag it all the way to underneath the brow bone. That's blinding. Oh, that's blinding. To set my face, I'm going to be using this transparent loose powder by ilmakiage as well. And to finish things off, I'm just going to take some of their hydrating setting spray. I almost forgot, I need to put some eyeliner on. So I'm going to be taking this shade called Black Card. I'm going to do this off camera, but I really love how this one applies because it is super smooth and super easy. Let me see if I can get it close up. It's kind of hard to film this from a distance. But I like to use this one for my everyday wear if I am wearing makeup. This is my go-to liner. And now to finish things off, I'm going to be taking my shade called Jessica from the Dirty Talk collection. How gorgeous is that? That is just amazing. I love the little texture that they have on the side of the lipstick itself. It is so pretty. It adds a lot of character to it. This is a very beautiful shade, and let me get my mirror so I can apply this. It just glides on super easy. It is, sorry, it's kind of hard to talk and apply this at the same time. It's super easy to apply. It glides on smooth. It's gonna make your lips feel nice and soft. I really like how they added our signatures onto our personalized lipsticks. I thought that was a really cute touch. A really nice feature I like about this is the fact that it is magnetic, so it's just going to snap right back on there. I like how it has ilmakiage on the side. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, a huge shout out and thank you to Makiage for this opportunity. I am so grateful and blessed, and I just want to say thank you again. You guys are amazing. Definitely go check out the link that I'll post down below so you can see all the shades available. Hope you have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time. Oh, my baby. My mama, you don't let mama film, do you? No, you do not. No, you do not. You need my attention all 24/7, don't you? Yes.